Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a puzzle genre called Shikaku puzzle. Now we are solving two puzzles today, and both of these puzzles are constructed by Zovial. So I really thank the author for giving me an opportunity to cover a video on our channel. Right. So before going to the puzzle, I would highly recommend you to please subscribe to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles if you haven't done so. It will really motivate us to cover videos on daily basis, and if at all you have a request for any Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, do let us know in the comment below and we'll surely make a video on it. And now coming on to these puzzles, so Shikaku is a really simple genre. The rules are really simple, but sometimes it can really be tricky to solve, right? So today we'll be solving two puzzles from the author, and before going to the puzzle, let us see what are the rules of this puzzle. So very simple rules. So you have to divide the grid into rectangles or squares, right, on the edges, right. So these are the edges, I mean to say on the dotted lines. So every rectangle or a square will have only one black circle, right. So for example, this is a rectangle here, or it can still be a square, right, of black circles, and all the white cells have to be used by either the rectangles or the squares, and each rectangle or a square will have one black circle. And if it is a number indicated on the black circle, the area of the rectangle or the square will have to be of the same number, right. So if it is a 2 here, it will have to be either this way 2 or this way, right, or it can be one more way is this way, right. So it will have only two cells. So if this is a 12, it can have many other ways, right. You can have 6 into 2 or 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 2 into 6 of any area, right. So that is what the rule says. Very simple rules. I'll again brief you with the rules. You have to divide the grid into rectangles or squares, in which every rectangle or square will have exactly one black circle, and if at all a number is given, it will represent the area of the rectangle or the square. And if no number is specified, the area can be of any I mean to say any the rectangle or the square can be of any area. And with that we'll start solving this puzzle. So the first thing that I can notice here is this 12, as the grid is 10 by 10, right. This is a 10 by 10 grid, right. So of course it cannot be 1 into 12, it can be 2 into 6 or 3 into 4. In both the ways, this has to be part of the 12, this cell has to be part of the 12. Okay. Usually Shikaku puzzles that I have seen earlier usually have all the numbers given in the black circle, but I am seeing this puzzle with only 3 numbers and other 5 circles are without any numbers. So that's a really good puzzle, I would say, because you need a different kind of thinking required in this puzzle. One of the thinking that I can see is so every white circle will have to be part of a rectangle or a square, and which area or which black circle can take this cell. It cannot, this two cannot take it, this two cannot take it, this black circle cannot take it, because you will have to form one whole rectangle, but you already have 2 circles in it, right. So the only possible circle, it cannot be taken by this 12 as well, because 1 into 12 is not possible, and if it is 2 into 8, it would be 16. So it can only be taken by this circle, right. So that's nice. Okay, which means this circle cannot come down now. Now which circle can take this cell, right. Which circle can take this cell? It cannot take 12, because 12 is possible. It cannot take 2, because it will be of 3 cells, or 3, the area will be 3. It cannot be taken by this black or this black circle. So which means it will have to be only the 12, and it cannot be 4 into 3, it can only be 6 into 2, right. So 12 is also done now. Nice one. Let's see what we have next here. So this area can still be extended this way, or we can just stop it here, but let us see how we can go it logically. And to go logically further, this can be taken by, okay, this can be taken by only this black circle, okay, I get that. what about this? This can be taken by this or this black circle. Anyway, it is possible. Seems to be quite difficult here. Not difficult, but I see some logic here, but kind of difficult to explain it. This can be taken by both the circles, right? This cannot be taken by this circle. It can be taken by this or this. Okay, this can be taken by only this, right? There is no other cell that can take, no other area that can take this cell. So this can be taken by this as well. Okay, so that is also possible. Now if you see this cell, it can be taken by this circle or this circle. Okay, there is a very good logic here. If this cell can only be taken by this circle or this circle, right? So if we take this circle, this cell cannot be taken by any of the circles now, because this circle cannot take this cell, because you won't form a square or a rectangle, and even this circle. So quite a different thinking here. So this cell will be taken by only this circle, which means now this cell can be taken only by this circle. Now if you see here, this cell can only be taken by this circle. That's nice. Even all of these cells can only be taken by this circle, which means now whole of this area can only be taken by this black circle. That's nice. Now both of these cells can only be taken by this black circle. That's again a good one. Sorry, I got a call in between actually. Now this area can be taken by this cell, can be taken by this circle, so again it will have to come up, and which means we got the way the two will work. Okay, so this cell can only be taken by this circle, so which means now it will be this way. That's nice. This will come down this way, this will come down this way, and 2 will have to go only this way, and that way we solve this puzzle. What an excellent puzzle this was. Quite a different thinking, not usual Shikaku thinking, I would say, but a really good one. So let's go with the second puzzle now. Oh, we have only 3 more cells here, 3 cells with the numbers. I actually am loving puzzles, Shikaku puzzles with no numbers here, because that way it will make it more tricky, right? Let's see what we can do here. I think that let's start with 5, I think, because okay, I think so 5 is the good one, because I see one logic here is, if I take 5 this way, this cell can be taken by this circle. Yeah, possible. Okay, that's awesome guys. This cell can only be taken by this circle. What about this cell now? There is no circle possible that can take this cell. That's awesome. So which means 5 will go down, right? 5 will go down, so it can either extend up or down, and which means now which circle can take this cell in particular. It cannot be taken by 2, it cannot be taken by this cell, so it has to be this cell. That's nice. What I see is there is a very good logic with the 1 actually. Okay, something with the 1, I'm sorry. Oh, wait, I'm getting something is, okay, that's a really good logic. All these cells adjacent to 1 will have to be taken by different circles, right? It cannot be same circle. So this cell can be taken by this or this circle, this cell can be taken by this or this circle, this cell can be taken by this or this circle, and this cell can be taken by this or this circle. So every cell has possibility of 2 circles, and these are the 4 circles that takes the possibility. So every circle has 2 places for the possibility, right? This circle has these 2 places, this circle has these 2 places, this circle has these 2 places, and this circle has these 2 places, which means all of these 4 cells will be taken by one of these 4 circles, right? That's awesome. Does that help us? Does that help us, guys? Come on. Okay, that helps us because now this cell cannot be taken by this circle, because this circle will either have to take this cell or this cell, and that actually removes both the possibility if we take this cell as by this circle, right? So it has to be taken by 5 now, which means this cell can only be taken by this cell can be taken by this circle. Not possible, because this circle is also taking either one of these 2 cells. So if it takes this cell, it removes both the possibilities. That's nice, which means this is only taken by this, right? 5 is also done. Let's go with some other logic. What about this 2? Or what about this cell? It can be taken by 2. What about this cell? This cell cannot be taken by any other circle. There is a circle here, but this will either take this cell or this cell, and if it takes this cell, this circle is getting contradiction here. It either has to take this cell or this cell, right? So this cell can only be taken by this circle again. So mouse isn't working again. Okay, what about this cell now? It can be taken by this circle using this area. Okay, possible, no doubt. Come on, there should be something that we are missing here. We know that this circle will not come down at all, because it either has to take this cell or this cell, right? Which means okay, so I see that this cell is still possible. No, so if it doesn't come down, what about this cell? Okay, so if this cell of course this cell is not taken by this circle, right? This cell is has only two possibilities of circle, either this one or this one. So if I see that if it is taken by this cell, this circle, none of, what about these cells? It cannot be taken by any circle. Or we can directly go that, I am sorry, I actually went with the longer way. Which circle will take this cell? This, in particular this cell, it can only be taken by this circle, which means now this cell can be taken by this circle only. That's nice again. And which means that this cell can only be taken by this circle, because if it is this circle, then it cannot take any of these two cells, right? That we have already deduced earlier. Okay, so which means now this cell can be taken by this circle only. So this is a rectangle here. Again this cell, now this cell can be taken by this circle only. That is also done, which means all of these area will be taken by the bigger circle here. So done now. What about this area now? No, okay, that is possible still. This area can be taken by 2 only. So 2 is done now, which means this cell will be taken by this circle. This is done. Now this cell can only be taken by this circle, which means it has to take this cell now. So this circle can either be this cell or this cell. Now the moment we got that this cell is going to take is taken by this circle, this cell will have to be used by this circle only, right? So this is also done now. It's a really excellent puzzle, guys, I would say. Now this, the moment we get one circle, all the 4 circles are done, and with that we complete this gorgeous, what an awesome puzzle this was, guys. I was totally concentrating on the on solving this puzzle, and I really missed appreciating how the puzzle was. Both the puzzles are awesome. I'm really really loving these puzzles, and I really want to construct a few of these Shikaku puzzles with no numbers. It will really be awesome. Of course you cannot create a Shikaku puzzle with I mean to say no numbers at all, because if at all the circles are symmetric, you need to have one circle with a number, because you will have a non-unique solution due to the symmetric of the grid. If the grid is normal square grid, then you cannot have a square or rectangle grid. You cannot have symmetric black circles without clues. That is of course not possible. You'll have 2 solutions. So I really love these puzzles. So I hope if you have enjoyed this video, if you really love our channel, if you really think we are doing good, please subscribe to the channel. Please share about our channel to your friends and family. And if at all you have a request for any Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, do let us know in the comment below, and we'll surely make a video on it. Thank you.